In today's video, we will learn how to say in Chinese language to go or to leave. To leave or to go, we say in Chinese, zo, the third tone. Zo. Can you speak? Zo. Let's see how to use the word zo in a sentence. Here is example. 他一句话没说，转身就走了。他一句话 one sentence 没说 didn't speak 转身就走了 he left without saying a word 他一句话没说转身就走了 And let's see another example 往前走往 towards 前 front 走 to go 往前走 when you're talking about the directions 你往前走 you go straight ahead Here is another example where zo means gone away left 下课了大家都走了 Class is over everyone has left 下课了大家都走了 Here is another use of zo when we ask someone to go away just get out 你走开 你走开 you go away